She is Sindhuja. She loves drinking milk. He is Mintu. He loves eating eggs. She is Madhu. She loves eating apples and loves drinking apple juice. She is Saina. She loves drinking milk. Let us know about food we eat.
पियो ग्लास फुल दूध 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 है वंडरफुल पी सकते हैं रोज ग्लास फुल दूध 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 गर्मी में डालो दूध में आइस दूध बन गया वेरी नाइस पियो डेली वंस और ट्वाइस मिल जाएगा टेस्टी सरप्राइज वंडरफुल दूध पियो ग्लास फुल दूध है मस्त इन एवरी सीजन पियो दूध for healthy reason रहोगे fit and fine जियोगे past 99 दूध 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 चारों ओर मच गया शोर give me more give me more wonderful दूध पियो ग्लास फुल दूध
Yesterday? Food we eat. Look at how Saina has grown from a baby to a big, strong, beautiful girl. Baby Saina loves drinking milk. 2 years old Saina loves porridge. Porridge means soup, carrot soup, vegetable soup, tomato soup. 3 years old Saina enjoys eating fruits and eggs. 4 years old Saina eats a healthy meal. Food is our basic need. We eat food when we are hungry. Hungry means wanting something to eat very much. Mama, I'm hungry. Can I get some glass of milk, please? Mama, I'm very hungry. Can I get some bananas to eat, please? Why do we need food, children? We need food to grow, be healthy, and to be energetic, to get energy to work and play. Look at this boy and these children. They are playing hide and seek game. If you want to be energetic like this, always playing and be happy, you need to have healthy food. Why do we need food, children? We need food to grow, to be healthy, and to get energy to work and play. We need food to grow, be healthy, get energy to work and play. If you don't have healthy food, what happens, children? You fall sick. You will be always on the bed. You cannot play with your friends. If you don't eat proper food, you become like this. You can't get up from the bed. Look at the bones, very weak. Healthy child will be always happy, active, and the child's hair will be glossy. Look at the eyes, shining brightly. Always they'll be happy. They won't fight, they don't cry. If they want something, they request and take from their parents and friends. Look at these happy faces. Happily everybody is playing here. We have 3 main meals every day. We eat breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner at night. Children, name 2 things you eat for breakfast. Let us see what Sindhuja eats for her breakfast. She drinks fruit juices like orange juice or beetroot juice, carrot juice, tomato juice, cucumber juice, and she loves to eat green idli with coconut chutney. Now let us see what Mintu eats for his breakfast. Mintu loves to eat dosa with sambar, and he also likes to drink orange juice. Children, name 2 things you eat for lunch. We can take chapatis, rice, dal, curries, vegetables, curds, sambar, chutney, fruits, salads, etc. Name 2 things you eat for dinner. Dinner can be chapatis, vegetables, fruits, fruit juices, depending on person to person. Have you heard about brunch, children? A brunch is a meal we eat late in the morning in place of breakfast and lunch. In place of breakfast and lunch, late in the morning, we eat. That is called brunch. BRUNCH, brunch. A meal with all kinds of food in the right amount is called healthy meal. A meal with all kinds of food in the right amount is called healthy meal. Milk. Milk is good for health. It keeps our teeth and bones strong. Strong, strong, strong. Teeth are strong. Strong, strong, strong. Bones are strong. And daily, if you drink 2 to 3 glasses of milk, your teeth and bones become strong. You need to drink daily milk, children. At least 2 to 3 glasses of milk. It makes your teeth and bones strong. If you drink daily milk, even your teeth will be strong like this girl. Water. Water is important for our body. We must drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. We must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. It helps us to digest food. When you drink water at least 6 to 8 glasses every day, the food what we eat will get digested very easily. So the water is important for our body. It helps us to digest food. And 6 to 8 glasses of water we need to drink every day.
मुझे प्यास लग रही है. Children, what do you think I should do? You're right. I must drink water.
Water is what we drink to quench our thirst. Children, from where do we get our food? We get our food from plants and animals. Now look at this plant, papaya plant. See so many papayas here. When they become ripe, we eat them as papaya fruit. Look at this bunch of papayas to papaya tree. This is guava plant, Jamakaya chettu. See the guavas, so many guavas. All these fruits we eat, right? So this is our food. We get this food from plants. Look at these grains, jowar grains. Means with these grains we can make chapatis, jonna rotte. See the grains, jowar grains. Look at this coconut tree, children. Coconuts are there to this tree. We eat these coconuts, right? We drink coconut water and we also eat coconut which is there inside of this shell. Bananas to the banana plant. Now this is milk. We get milk from animals like cows, buffaloes, goats. Now this is egg. We eat egg. Eggs we get from animals like? Yes, we get from hens, ducks.
छोटू मोटू पप्पू राजू मंडे टू संडे दिन या रात खाओ साग अंडे ही अंडे ऑमलेट खाओ बॉयल भी खाओ या कच्चे ही खाओ चुन्नू मुन्नू पिंकू रिंकू मंडे टू संडे सुन लो आज हल्का राज अंडे ही अंडे संडे हो या मंडे राज खाओ अंडे.
To remain healthy, we need to have eggs every day. We get food from plants and animals. From plants, what kind of foods we get? Vegetables like carrot, brinjal, beetroot, cabbage, leafy vegetables, spinach, and many more. Then cereals. Cereals like rice paddy. We get rice from rice paddy. Wheat from wheat crops. Maize, oats, barley, your favorite popcorn. All these are called cereals. We get these cereals from plants. Pulses like kidney beans, green gram, urad dal, kandipappu, senagapappu, pesarpappu, black-eyed peas, chickpeas. Fruits. So we get from plants vegetables, cereals, pulses, fruits. People who eat food from plants, they are called vegetarians. Vegetarians eat only food we get from plants. Now let us see what food we get from animals. From cow and goat, we get milk. Here a small boy milking the cow. We get milk from cows. We also get milk from goats. We also get milk from buffaloes. We get food like meat from goat, hen, fish. And we get eggs from hens and ducks. We get food from animals. From cow and goat we get milk, and from goat, hen, fish we get meat, and from hen we get eggs. People who eat food of animals, they are called non-vegetarians. Non-vegetarians. People who eat food which we get only from plants, They are called vegetarians. Good food habits help us to become healthy. Children, you need to follow the good food habits. Now, what are those good food habits? You have to eat. Eat meals at the right time. Do not waste food. Eat meals at the right time means morning breakfast in the morning time, lunch in the middle of the day, and night dinners. At the right time, you need to have the meals. Otherwise, you will fall sick. And do not waste food. Chew your food well. Do not overeat. Chew. Chew your food well. Slowly, you have to chew and eat. Without chewing, if you simply swallow the food, it will not get digested. And do not overeat. Means how much is needed, only that much you have to eat. If you eat too much, again you will become very fat, obese. You cannot run, you cannot walk, and you fall sick. Do not eat uncovered food. You must always eat covered food. If the food is not covered, you should not eat that food. If you eat uncovered food, what happens? All the flies will sit on that and you get many diseases. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Wash your hands before eating and after eating. Before eating you must wash because the germs which are there to your hands will get washed out. Without washing your hands, if you eat food, what happens? Whatever germs are there to your hands, you will be swallowing them along with the food. Then again you fall sick. So to avoid that, you need to wash before and after eating food. Sit at the dining table and eat meals with your family. Always you have to eat meals with your family members, with your father, mother, if you have brother, if you have sister, all together can sit and eat. That is the good food habit.